Hi, it's Jennifer at Platinum Skincare, and I just wanted to take a couple minutes today to walk you through our cleansers and our toners so you know that you're purchasing the right one. So here we're going to start off with our very mildest cleanser. This is our Anti-Aging Lactic Cleanser. Now this has 5% lactic in here, and this is going to be good for anybody with sensitive skin or dry skin. You know, if you need to watch and things irritate you, this is the best cleanser for you. It's a nice creamy cleanser. It's not going to cause any irritation, and since it's an acid, it will still help to gently remove the dead skin. And it does have its counterpart, so we do have a matching toner. This is also lactic acid, and then we have our Salicylic in here too, which is a neuropeptide, and if you put that on all the time, it will end up building up in your skin and kind of minimizing the lines a little bit. Now the next cleanser, this is probably one of our most popular ones. This is our Revitalizing Glycolic Cleanser. This has 10% glycolic acid in it. So if you have really sensitive skin, it might be a little bit irritating to you, but it's definitely something that you could start off using once a day or every other day and work your way up to it. You'll notice your skin is just super duper smooth when you use this. If you've never used an acid-based cleanser before and you start using one, your skin, oh my gosh, it feels so baby smooth. You will love it. And of course, this has its counterpart, the matching toner. This is also 10% glycolic acid, and this is great for all skin types. Anybody can use this. Now, I want to go into something specific for, this is somebody if you have acne skin or oily skin, this is our AB cleanser, and this has glycolic and salicylic in it. And this is the one I have to use because I'm an acne prone person. This is excellent. You may feel a little bit dry the first week of using this. Then your skin gets used to it, and all of a sudden you just have nice balanced skin. It helps to fade away the pimples. And of course, this has a matching toner, but this is a super strong toner. This is like the strongest toner we make. And this, unless you have really resistant skin, this could possibly be too irritating. So feel free to mix and match cleansers and toners. That's not a problem. And to be honest, if you have acne prone skin, I'm generally going to recommend you use AB cleanser and our purified toner. And that's because this has Mandelic, citric, phytic, lactic. This is excellent for clearing the skin. So generally, if you have acne, I'm going to recommend this plus this. And then if you like a scrubbing cleanser, this is our Basics 3-in-1 cleanser. This is another Mandelic citric blend. And this is also as strong as the others. It's 10%. Matter of fact, I think it's 11%. This is excellent, but it has the bonus of the scrubbing beads in there. So you're gonna get the acid exfoliation, which is a little bit more gentle, mixed with the beads. So a lot of times people like to use this with one of the little buffing pads or a little face brush. You can get some great exfoliation going on with this. And if you wanted a matching counterpart, you could put the Basics Purify with this. Now, I just wanted to mention that not everybody uses a toner. Some people love cleansers and they feel they must put a toner on. It does help to balance your pH level and get you ready, prepared to put your serums and creams on, but it's not mandatory. Some people are just diehard and only want to wash their face and then go straight into their serums, and that's perfectly fine. Whatever works for you is what you should be doing. I just want to make sure you understood what we had available here, and that's it. Have a wonderful day.